हाय AdWords इन हिंदी की नई वीडियो सीरीज नीड टू नो में आपका स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो we learn to read and understand the billing summary for your account. The billing summary is an overview of your AdWords billing activity and may have a different look depending on the type of payment setting you're using, such as automatic payments, manual payments, or monthly invoicing. To access the billing summary, log into your AdWords account and click on the gear icon on the top right and select Billing and Payments. If you're using manual payments, your billing summary would give you details about your remaining credit, your recent transactions, your payment methods, and your settings. The Transactions tab in your manual payments account will have one consolidated column for credit and debits. Your ad usage, tax, estimated tax, and your other debits will be shown as negative, whereas payments or top-ups or any other credits will show as positive. If you're using automatic payments, your billing summary will have a progress bar that shows how close you are to reaching the payment threshold before you are charged. You will also see cards for your recent transactions, your payment methods, and your settings. In the Transactions tab on the left panel, you will find a condensed amount column showing both debits and credits. Ad usage, tax, estimated tax, and all other debits will be shown as positive, whereas payments and any other credits will be shown as negative. This is the opposite sign treatment when compared with manual payments. To understand the difference, you can imagine that your credits here are taking you away from your payment threshold, and as such they are in negative, whereas in manual payments, credits are adding to your available balance and as such are shown in positive. If you're using monthly invoicing, your billing summary will have a card to show you the total amount due. You can also see cards for your recent transactions, your payment methods, and your settings. In the Transactions tab on the left panel, you will find a condensed amount column showing both debits and credits. Ad usage, tax, estimated tax, and other debits will be shown as positive, whereas payments and any other credits will be shown as negative. You may notice at times that the campaign activity amount mentioned in the transaction history would be different from the costs mentioned for the same date in your AdWords campaign reporting. This is because any adjustment that your account receives are reflected on your billing summary page but not in your campaign tab. Furthermore, your costs in the campaign tab will show the total cost of all the AdWords ads which were served, known as your served cost. Sometimes, to ensure that you're getting the most clicks possible, AdWords may show your ads aggressively and exceed your daily budget. This is known as over-delivery, and it allows your daily budget to be exceeded by up to 20%. Any cost accrued beyond 20% of your daily budget is not charged to you and is given to you as over-delivery credit. The remaining amount is charged to you and is your actual cost, which is displayed in the transactions history. If you click on the campaign activity data in your transaction history tab, you can see a section for over-delivery credit present there. This is another common reason the amount in the Transactions tab may not match the amount in the Campaigns tab. You can post your questions in the comment section below. To know more, refer to the links mentioned in the description. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more such content.